Good morning. If you want to read an Excel file, you need to use the library Excel. Obviously, you have to install it, and then you have to charge it or load it with library function and read Excel. Then you have to use the function setwd, who means set the working directory. Well, you have to go to the folder in which you have your file and click on this bar, copy the directory or direction, and then you have to copy it here, paste it here, and obviously, or please take attention on this, you have to change the backslash for simple slash. If you don't, the Rstudio is not going to charge your working directory. Then you can load it with the Control and Enter keys in the keyboard, and then you can read your data. Well, I am going to use the name data for my data frame. You can use the name what you want, and you have to use the read xlx function, and you have to write the name of your file. Well, I can copy it exactly. You can paste it, and please don't forget the extension. It is so important. Then you can run this line, and you will see that the data has charged, and you can review it then. Well, if maybe you have more than one sheet, you can use this code, just including a new argument called sheet, in which you are going to write the name of the sheet. You just need to put here the name, and you can run it. Well, I hope this video could be very useful for you, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.